welcome back to ALH, Success Lines Fashion and Fitness channel. My name is Angela, and in this fashion edition, I am going to share with you some of my recent purchases from Shein. Now, these are affordable and stylish, so sit back, relax, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you, so please subscribe. If you're not following me over on Instagram, please follow me there as well. And by the way, these styles are very, very appropriate for women over the age of 40 like myself. So classy women over the age of 40, and all women are welcome. So let's get started. I absolutely love this dress. I love the color. I love the print. This is a floral print belted halter dress in a size small. Perfect for those summer days. And here we have another dress in the shade of green. This is an all-over print, self-tie, half-button dress. I am wearing a size small. This is oh so cute. And who said women over the age of 40 cannot wear mini dresses? Well, we can. I must confess, I don't do it often, but we can. This is a tie-back halter dress. I'm wearing a size small. Do you all know anything about popping the collar up on your clothing, your dresses, your shirts? If so, you are my kind of people. This bat wing sleeve button front belted shirt dress reminds me so much of the styles from the 1950s, and I love it. I'm wearing a size small.